here coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got kind of a special episode because footage from this episode is going to be part of a video that I'm guessing I've already come out with on how to make ramen eggs the way we do it. Yeah, so I think people will be really stoked on that. Hopefully it'll answer some questions and make things easier. We made these, what, about 16 hours ago? I'm hoping you can see it, but you should be able to. But there's a pair of ramen eggs.
Hi, Papa.
Hey, Miles, how you doing? Good. You ready for your snackety snack?
Yeah.
Where'd it go? I had it. I will prepare another snackety snack for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
a
yeah.
Twisty snack.
Actually, do you want to help out with something?
Oh, yeah. It's a twisty snack.
So, here's your twisty snack.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, I'm going to need you to push the magic button. Because today, we're going to cook this. This is Panda Signature Spicy Shrimp. I actually went to a Walmart this weekend where I saw Panda Signature but it's a local one, and they just that place just always kind of looks like crap, so they didn't really have anything they did not have the large aisle of everything nice and faced and all that. So I was gonna shoot a video there, but there was just no point. It looked like a frickin' sty, so sorry, Walmart. Actually, Walmart should be saying sorry to me for having such a disheveled store, but that's okay. That's all right, right? Yeah, we're not going to have a big fit about it. We'll go to the other one. The Walmart Market, that one always looks nice, but the regular Walmart just looked kind of silly. So let's see. We want to go to the line there. Because I have found, ladies and gentlemen, that by microwaving this stuff, it comes out so much better. If you don't microwave it doesn't come out all that great microwave.
Yeah, Papa.
Yeah, but I mean, it's better than the way it was. So let's go right up to the line. Right there. I'll let you hit the all-important button in a moment.
I'm going to get the rice.
Oh, hold on. Okay, you can go do that.
Yeah. It's a microwave, Papa.
It is a microwave, and you love microwaves, so I'm going to push a couple extra buttons here. And why don't you push the special button?
Okay.
High five. There you go. Go wash your hands, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. Good to go. Good to go. So yeah, there's the. Yeah, go do it. Oh, it's hailing. It's hailing. Look out there. Look, it's like it's snowing, but it's like rock salt. Look out on the deck.
Yeah.
Yeah, look out on the deck. Out there. Look out there. Look outside. There you go. Okay, go wash your hands. Go.
Okay.
They got in big trouble a minute ago. Oh my god. I had something show up in the mail, and I got it from the door during a Zoom meeting that was for school for him, and it was leaking. So I had to immediately take care of that. And then what happens?
Wash your hands, come to wash.
Yeah, you wash those hands. Which one are we on? Okay, number 224. This is our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks, quotes by the guy who invented instant noodles, right?
Right.
Number 224. I'm not selling instant noodles. I'm offering customers time. So it's like now he's doing a theme of stuff having to do with time. Enjoy your beverage.
Hey, Joe.
You're welcome. I think I set it for 3 minutes. I hope it's not exploding in there. That would really suck. Bad. I put it on a paper plate. I changed the power level. I think I only said 3 minutes. Maybe I said 30 minutes. I should look. I really should. No, wow. It seems like it would have been done by now. It's got like 50 seconds left. Anyway. So this weekend I had the absolute luxurious wonderfulness, and I'm super stoked. We actually got the car back and went to some Asian groceries. We went to HT Oak Tree on Aurora in Seattle. The cool thing about that one is that they had they remodeled, and like half of it is Mexican food and the other half is like Asian and other food. And the Mexican side has a Mexican bakery. They had all the Mexican bread you could imagine. It was rad. If you never had it, it's kind of like donuts but a little bit different, but they're usually kind of sweet. And then they had like a hot case with pork rinds, chicharrones, and they were huge. They had ones that were like this big. That's burly. Okay. Here comes the Panda signature instant noodle ramen noodle soup, ladies and gentlemen. So I did an unboxing of these because a reader, you're still recording? Yeah, we're doing good. Because a reader sent me a bunch of varieties, but not all of them, so that's kind of cool. I get to still hunt for some. But yeah, and people, they lost their minds. They're like, dude, that stuff's so horrible. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna say, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna lose my mind. It's a Chinese. Yes, these are made in the People's Republic of China. But they're trying to hide the fact by you breathing it. It's a PRC. No, I really don't think so. They must have paid Walmart a fortune to get their stuff in there instead of the other brand. No, I really don't think so. It's just not that good. I tell you, once they get the old stuff back, people will be like dancing in the streets from what it sounds like. So this is supposed to be spicy shrimp. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of bite. A little. Faint. But it smells like an air conditioner. I swear to God. It smells like an air conditioner, and that flavor is coming off of the noodle. And it's a real shame because it shouldn't. I'm really saddened by that. Because for me, I'm thinking like, oh wow, there's a sticker on it. I didn't realize there was a sticker. I got a new bowl. I guess the sticker can stay on it. I don't care. Got a new bowl. I went to this other place called Asian Family Market, and that's on 99 and 130th. Hi, Miles. Y'all done?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want your tablet time?
Yeah.
You can have tablet time. Have you reminded Mimi to finish her line?
Did you burp at me?
No, you burped at me, kid. Here you go.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, dude, go have fun. Thank you. No respect, I tell you. No respect. Okay. So I'm gonna pour it in here. I'm kind of. I'll make it look wonderful. But as for it being wonderful, yeah, it's kind of... Let me make sure you can see what's going on here. I still haven't gotten around to like figuring out if I can make it so it displays stuff the way it used to. Because they put a new app, they changed the app, they upgraded it, so now it doesn't do as many things. That's fun. That's a feature people like. There's some shrimp, actual shrimp. And now, okay, I gotta get this just right because this is gonna be footage for the egg video. I think that'll probably work. I'm gonna hope it does. It's wide. All right, so this is marinated for 16 hours, I'll say. Here we go. Yeah. Maybe I won't use this shot. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. She can make the eggs. My lady, the mistress of the wandering magical egg. Look at that. God. That is sensational. How can you beat that? Maybe like that. And shrimp, I want to use spring onion. And Miles, shush out there, please. Shush. They are pushing it already, and it's only Monday, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. If I would have been yammering like that, boy, oh boy, I would have been in big trouble. And it keeps going. Here's some pepper flake. And some sesame seed. And that's about all we need right there. Unfortunately, it's not a sunny day, so we're not going to have the best shot, but got to do what we got to do with what we got when we got it and how we do. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling a little... Whoa! What's going on there? It was like rotating, but this is rotato. We're going to try this. Yeah, let's let Rotato take a minute with pleasantries. Here we go. One down, one to go. I hope that egg footage came out good. I'll do it again on the next one. Just to make sure. This has been Hans the Ramen. Oh, wait. This is the next one. Fan's Kitchen Premium instant noodles with stewed beef flavor. Let's do it. See you next time.